sensitive teeth can stop you in your tracks. Now get total protection with new Listerine Total Care Sensitive. It gets where brushing can't, strengthening tooth enamel, even between the teeth, and kills germs to protect against gums receding and exposing sensitive areas. New Listerine Total Care Sensitive. Total protection for sensitive teeth.
淨係刷牙就夠？唔係㗎，喺刷牙清潔唔到嘅盲點，細菌會形成細菌黏膜 biofilm， 緊附喺牙齒上快速繁殖，係引致口腔問題嘅真正元兇。刷牙後要用李斯德林，獨有強效配方，可穿透及擊退細菌黏膜 biofilm， 預防各種口腔問題。最強裝備擊退口腔問題元兇，李斯德林。